Today we're going to take a look at this clear flexible sealant from Leak Stopper Rubber Flexx. It's another one of their great products. It will adhere to most materials. It's a universal repair product. We're going to take a look at using this sealant to repair this damaged stucco. Once it's dried, it'll get painted and it'll blend right in. First thing we need to do is make sure our surfaces have been cleaned thoroughly. You want to remove any dust and debris to help ensure good adhesion. To start, let's put the tip of our tube and we'll puncture it. You may want to wear gloves. I'll just go ahead and start squeezing it out along our cracks. We'll squeeze it out along our cracks. And I'm just going to work it in with my finger here. As you prepare to use this, it can be used in all temperature ranges, but the product should be kept indoors to be at room temperature prior to application. Might find it helpful to get your finger a little wet. There, that's it. Now just let it dry. Once it's dried, it'll get painted and it'll blend right in. You can use it in wet or dry areas. This can be used both inside and outside. I want to thank the Gardner-Gibson Company for sponsoring this video. This clear flexible sealant from Leak Stopper Rubber Flexx has tremendous adhesion and is great for sealing up cracks and leaks that you have around your home and all sorts of materials.